Jungkook was only looking at her from head to toe. She was looking breathtaking. Her aura was dark just like him. He knew she was a queen, his queen. Without him knowing, Jungkook took steps towards her, who was coming down off the path towards him. She was here for him. Things were about to go another way. What both of them were thinking was not about to happen any sooner. It was talk about their life and death. It was about to get spectacular, stronger, phenomenal. Jungkook stood up from the couch, ignoring Liam. He fixed his coats and took steps towards Wang, who was coming down the path, walking like everyone out there was wearing black and red, but they two were twinning in white, looking a perfect fine couple. Jungkook came to her and offered his hand with a proud smile. He knew she would accept it. But to his surprise, Wang rolled her eyes and crossed him and went towards Liam. Jungkook fixed his hand, but there was a smile on his face. Her presence was worth it for him. Liam looked at Wine and glared at him. Didn't I said not to? Wine, it's nothing that. Look, I came here to enjoy. Vine said with a soft smile, but was cut by Jungkook. Or you can say the truth that you came here for me, my love. Liam was about to say, but Vine turned to Jungkook and said, don't worry, I will chase you till your death. She said smilingly and Jungkook chuckled. Both made the eye contact. They broke the eye contact and parted their ways. They got busy with other members, but both Jungkook and Vine were keeping an eye on each other. They were watching like they wanted a chance. Wang looked at Jungkook, who was looking at her. Vine excused herself and went inside the corridor. Jungkook chuckled inside and whispered, let's see what my kitten has set a trap to me. He said and followed Vine. Vine knew he was coming. He was not scared of her. In fact, he wanted to try. He was enjoying it, enjoying her efforts to kill him. Coming inside the corridor where all the doors was of flowers, but they were wild. There was no one, not a single person, not even the security. Jungkook frowned and looked here and there, but then he heard her voice making him smirk. Van looking for me. Jungkook turned around slowly with a smile. Jungkook saw that Van was pointing her pocket gun on him. Smirk didn't left his face. Van, I knew it that a pervert man like you will follow me and I will get my chance, but didn't know that it's that simple. Jungkook chuckled and she put her finger on trigger. Jungkook, I myself never thought that you will make it that simple for me. Van frowned and Jungkook looked down and chuckled, but in a second he held her hand and pinned her at the wall and took gun from her. Van was shocked, but then she pushed him hard, making him step back. Van raised her hand to slap him, but he held her and pinned her hand on her head and kissed her. She glared at him. Jungkook, look. So simple. Jungkook looked in her eyes and came closer to her. He held her both hands with one and he started tracing her gun from head to down to forearm. Both of them didn't broke the eye contact and he traced the gun to her forehead to her cheeks. He poked his cheeks with the gum. Jungkook, they are looking so soft. How about I bite them, making a natural blush, honey? He said seductively, whispering on her face. There now, we're touching. Jungkook went closer to her right cheek and softly kissed it, but then he slightly bit her chubby cheeks, sticking them between his teeth. Vine closed her eyes and moved aggressively, making him chuckle. Jungkook, don't move. I didn't even start it yet. Jungkook again looked in her eyes and at her right cheek. He traced the gun from her cheeks to her lips. He put the pressure there, making her separate her lips. She gulped and he looked at her like his eyes were covered with red wine. Jungkook wanted to kiss her aggressively right now, but he whispered, I will save it for the end. He continued to down the kiss her neck, but then bite her soft corner, making her gasp. Her voice was turning him on. It was killing him. He stubbed her soft spot, making her close her eyes and flush her. Jungkook was going down to her chest, but then he heard her saying, "Fine, you are right. It was easy, Jungkook." Jungkook stopped and looked at her face and found her smirking at him. He knew she was now up to something. Just as he turned around, he saw Wang's guard pointing their gun at him. Jungkook looked at them with a glare. Rooney groaned and fell on the ground when Wang kicked him between his legs from behind. The guards scurried because they knew who he was. Wang smiled and came forward when he said, why are you disturbing our future generation?" Wang glared at him and he chuckled in pain. "Wang, your time is up. You seriously thought that I came alone?" Wang sneered and smirked at him. Jungkook stood up and brushed his pants. The pant was gone when he said, "Jungkook, I knew there was a trap, but how fool of you to think that you can trap a mafia king in this mere thing." Vine frowned, but then Jungkook motioned her to look at the top, and when she turned around, she saw three strappers pointing their gun at them. Vine fumed in anger and turned to him aggressively. "Jungkook, I told you, I will wait for you to come to me." Vine was about to say something, but they heard gunshots. They heard the gunshots coming from hall. They became alert. Jungkook threw Vine's gun at her, which she catched, and he took put his from his pocket. Jungkook towards the hall and shouted, "Cover her." His guards nodded and came down. Ryan looked at him, shocked at why he wanted to give her the protocol. Coming inside the hall, he saw that all groups were fighting with their rivals. Before someone could harm him, he took out his gun and started fighting with them. He saw Liam was also fighting with his gang. There was a total chaos inside the arena. Everyone was fighting with each other. Soon many people were down and some ran away. Liam turned to Jungkook and found him finishing last man. Liam came angrily because Van was missing and Jungkook was his rival, so he pointed his gun at Jungkook when Jungkook saw it. Jungkook smirked, but then his and Liam's attention went on Van. Jungkook found the way and ran towards the corridor, making them confused. Liam became angry, but his daughter was fast enough to run behind Jungkook. She had some undone business with him, and there was no way she is letting him go. Liam looked up, but didn't find Vine, making him scared. Vine came in corridor with guards, but no one was there. Vine, go and find him there. Go. All guards went towards the direction, and Vine observed the area. Where did he go like that? She turned around to go back another way. But she got slammed on the wall, and in a matter of seconds, she felt his lips on hers. Jungkook was kissing her aggressively, like there was no tomorrow. Vine was herself shocked with the sudden appearance. Jungkook kissed her like a hungry bee. Soon he broke the kiss and whispered in her ears. "I told you I will keep it for the end, honey." Vine was holding her breath and he was breathing heavily. "Jungkook, it is the time we should finish this. Wait now, no more chaos. It's time to unite our souls now. Wait for me." Saying that, Jungkook ran from there and Vine fell on the floor breathing. Her tables turned on her. She came to kill him, but he was taking her breath away. What did he mean by that? The wait is over. What was he planning? Everything was messed up, but that mafia was a mastermind. He had some plans to execute. Next day, Tai, so you mean to say that she was all ready to kill you yesterday? Jungkook signed and said yes, thanks to my backup snappers. Tai, do you have an idea where you are putting yourself? Jungkook looked at him and said, Not yet, but now I'm sure that I have to play my last part. Tai looked at him confused, and what is that? Jungkook, Liam, he will help me to come closer to her. Tai, he will kill you. Jungkook looked at him and shook his head in denial. Jungkook, just see what I'm doing now. Jungkook stood up and went to the window and whispered, Soon. Soon you will be here. Just wait for a while and enjoy the show. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next part.